Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to unfriend all Facebook friends at once. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all click on Facebook app. Then click on menu option. Click on settings. After that click on scroll down. Okay, your activity option, then tap on activity log. Okay, tap on this option, then click on manage friends. Okay, tap on filters, click on categories, then your friends, then all your friends. Tap on three dot option, then this option is unfriend. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.